What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, subscribers welcome, and if this is your first time viewing, I do technical analysis videos on a wide variety of stocks. Today we're looking at GE, so if you're interested, please subscribe and follow along. So let's go ahead and jump into General Electric. So General Electric for quite some time has been a shit stock to invest in. It was great for a very long time. It definitely has seen its better days. But ever since, say, the end of 2016, it's been in this downward trend ever since. However, I have been watching it. And the reason I watched is, it's getting very cheap. This thing is down here at $12 a share now. And a subscriber came to me and said, "Hey, do you mind, doing a quick video on it?" Which, anytime you guys have any recommendations, simply reach out. I'll definitely take a look if I have the time and the means. And so definitely looking at it and have been watching it because it's been in this wedge here for a while, and I've been kind of watching it and hadn't made any trades on it just because it's literally moved 50 cents. Not a whole lot of money to make because it's such a slow mover. But it's just one of those stocks people tend to watch. And here in the last couple of days, it seemed to have a false breakout of this. And then the last 2 days, a lot of volume sold it right back down to the bottom of this. Definitely nothing. You want to look at it and watch this. If you look at the weekly, we're going to look at long term here. It's definitely getting tight. It's about to make a move one way or another. Typically, these things, when you have a downtrend and it tends to wedge up like this, probability is that it's going to head back. It's going to break down. But smart money does not get in until it breaks one way or another. So that's what everybody's waiting on. If it does break down, where's the possibility of this thing could head? Let's look at the monthly and pull it way back. Back in the beginning of 2009, you see how it went all the way down to almost $6 a share. So that's probably going to be your floor. And also, if you come all the way back to back in 1984, let's draw a line from the day this bad boy started on the exchange. You kind of draw up through that, maybe even, right around there. People are going to draw it here. People can draw it here. And the reason being, they might not, pay attention to this wick because it came down that day, but then it wound up closing. It wound up closing up here, so they may not draw it. They may draw it a little higher. But let's just go all the way to the bottom, just to be on the safe side. And this is probably going to be your bottom if it does say fall below this wedge. If it happens in the next couple of weeks, which is definitely looks like may happen next week or the next 2 weeks, it's going to go one way or another. This thing possibly could pop up to 15, or possibly could fall down to 10 in the next week or two. And if it does continue to fall, you're looking at a ballpark around $7-8 is definitely, it wouldn't be a bad entry if you're looking for a long-term slow gaining stock. So let's just continue to keep an eye on it and see where it goes, and just see how this thing reacts once it pops through this wedge. Volume started kind of coming in this week. Most of the volume was here at the end of the week on the selling side. So it doesn't look promising, but the thing could literally stop here in this line and reverse next week and explode up to say, $14 or even $15 a share. So if you're interested in following GE or any other stocks, check the videos out and click that subscribe button. If you like the video and got any value out of this and you want this content to continue, click that like button. Let me know you like the video. And if you have any questions, if you have any recommendations, point something out that I don't see, simply comment in the section below. I want to make this a great trading community where we all can come together, spot things, and make money together. Like I said, we're all here in the market to prosper. So guys, that's exactly what I want to do. So I appreciate the following and the viewing, and you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll check you next week.